Why? Easy. Yeah. Y'all know what I holla? Do you know what I holla? Yeah. You know the itty bitty city by the water that's steady getting taller. Vallejo. You don't understand. You ho. You just don't understand. Check it out though. Sipping martinis, eating scampi and linguine, making blunts disappear like I'm Houdini. Laid up with Asians that know tongue fu, getting blue when I got the call from Young Dru. He was speaking Islamic, but I can understand it. He said Al-Bubu, the eagle has landed. My reply, pronto, cousin. Execute stage 2, put the turkey in the oven. For those who don't know, that means he got the blow, and it's time to turn the blow into more dough. Sell him high, buy him low, let him fly, let him go. Birdies of the snow, straight from Valley Joe. Who got it? Nigga Dru got it. And if you hit him on the hip, he'll make sure that you got it. Me and my team, we trying to win, and we keep it mafioso. You hear the violins? Come on. Something like that.
I'm the yay boy, the playboy from the Bay boy, where I stay boy. We don't be puffin' no hay boy. With my son head lay boy, I protect with the K boy. Running my home and get sprayed boy. Young Dru and Mac Dre boy, the yay don't play boy. I'm a made boy, highly connected, spit flame boy. I'm a paid boy, blazing nade all day boy. Never change, I'm the same, so fuck what you say boy. I'm not afraid boy, take it from wax to gunplay boy. Run away boy, shaking the blades and gay boys. Moving bricks boy, chopping down kicks, the picks boy. Weighing zips boy, taking them trips for chips boy. Copping whips boy, floss crossed by chicks boy. Making hits boy, fuck with the mob and get split boy. Loaded and lit boy, Dre Dru is the shit boy. From a fix to a bitch, we tryna get rich boy.
Come on. Something like that. I'm in my sneaks with freaks on the beach where shallow. Bossed up drinking Ernest and Julio Gallo. I got my Rollo, my butterfly knife. I met nice, I cut a guy twice. All of my life, I followed the path of D-boy, B-boy. Half cash, live laugh. Got game like Bob Costas. Got dread like Rastas, eating seafood sauce. Poured over pastas. You imposters get tried for treason to the nation of Islam. Is my allegiance. Write a grievance, file a complaint. Tell them Dre doing things that the mother guys can't. Burning rubber all day, driving reckless. I cut a man's throat, give a man a bloody necklace. Honey, they respect this, cause they have to. My niggas mafioso, you prick, they'll whack you. Come on. Swan. Something like that.
I'm washing pots and pans, fried gorillas with tortilla chips and clam dips. My pants ripped, playing Gladys Knight on Friday night. With buffalo meat, your ass vomit. Gastric juice with French toast, balls from a moose. Heavy convulsion, construction, your stomach tucked in. Leave you with Malox and Castoria, toxic waste. Your area's vacant with warehouse aroma. Cat turds and horse drops, your face went into a coma. Exterminating houses with 50 Mauses, diapers and kids. Driving trucks for the roach business. 12 to 9, I move body bags to see the sign now. Eating co-workers' food, I'm rude. Walking the belly center with a jockstrap dude. Approach security with a delivery. Devastating a major, cut cables in elevators. Make the rush hour stop, dragging dead elephants in department stores while people shop. with a briefcase from Spellman. I have to tell men, get off my back. I'm working overtime like a janitor with stamina. Buried the last bodies in Canada. In Toronto, I used to jerk off in a 10-room condo with serious surgery. Dr. Dooom working in the office building, driving some Bronco like O.J. Simpson. Nervous smoking a pack of Winstons. For 27 dead people in Pontiac, Michigan. 28 in Denver, 28 I can't remember. Walking through a town called Gatesville. You suckers out there know how Norman Bates feels.
And I'm out of sight. Hey, what's that smell down there? Take the body and bag it. And I'm out of sight. Hey, what's that smell down there? Take the body and bag it. And I'm out of sight. Hey, what's that smell down there? Take the body and bag it. And I'm out of sight. Hey, what's that smell down there? Take the body and bag it. And I'm out of sight.
From a little town, that's right, a tore down house with some real estate and peak skill. I ran a meat market behind Johnny Rockets. Paid truckers to haul body pieces from the east to the west with the devil branded on your chest. I had to step up in the judge robe, confess. Watch the whole Arkansas, Kansas City testify against my lies and my alibis. I was surprised. My lawyers dressed in black and a Rolls Royce buried in the back. Arms missing, knees cut down to the nubs. All I had was people to grub. Stories to tell to the Inquirer how I set a bunch of people in a nightclub on fire. My intention was to get even like Spielberg. Though like Stephen King, Children of the Corn on a swing. I stuck needles in your face like Pinhead. You been dead for 80 hours in a college dorm with a thunderstorm. Lightning with big bolts. I used to hang with Jim Jones before he started the cults. The SSA, the sacrifice and servant angle. I'm the next strangler.
How you feel?